Hello everyone. In this short video, I am going to demonstrate what is the meaning of lazy evaluation when it comes to Snowpark within Snowflake, right? Now think of it like if I am, kind of writing a program like this, which I've already written, okay, and I am creating a data frame, and within it, obviously I have a table, and I am trying to select, few columns from that table. So what will actually happen, right? Whether this statement alone will it just create a logical data frame and it is also going to execute this select statement, or what will happen is, I have to explicitly call something or call different method so that I can, get the output of this select statement, right? Now what happens in Snowpark is, so basically, take an example of this particular kind of statement, right? Whenever you write this kind of code, right, you will probably think that if with this statement I will be not only able to create my data frames, the logical data frames, but will also be able to kind of execute my select queries, right? But that is not how things happen in Snowpark, and that is why it is called as lazy evaluation. That concept is coming into picture, right? Because with this statement we will only be able to create the data frame of a table, will not be able to kind of execute the select query, right? So let's see that in action, right? So what we'll do is we will try to kind of execute this statement. So before that, we will also have this query history handy, okay? And obviously the last statement that got executed is this current user, okay? Now then what I'm doing is I'm running this particular program, okay? Now when I run this program, okay, I am expecting some kind of output, right? Now what is that output? I was expecting that select query to give me some result, but will that actually happen? So it didn't happen, right? And let's see the query history also. Anything which will come after this current user probably are the logs of the execution of the Python code, the Snowpark code, which just now I have written. Now if you see this, just the Python worksheet ran and there was no select query that got executed at the backend, right? So to kind of understand a bit further, so what we will do right now is we will try to also execute this select statement, okay? Now to do that, what I will do is I'll have to explicitly call another method which is collect, okay? And then I will have to return, okay, the kind of output in form of table, not in form of string. The return type has to be table, okay? And that is exactly how I will be able to get the output of the select query from the table, okay? So if I execute now this particular code, so what I will do is I will again probably execute this command so that at least my query history gets reset, that any command which will get executed or any logs which will be captured after this line will be all the output of this particular Snowpark code, okay? Now I am executing this, okay, right? So we'll see what happens in the backend. So will I be able to see now I was able to get all the data, okay, from the which is actually the output of the select statement. And if I refresh the query history, okay, so what we will see is not only this Python program got executed, but the select statement also got executed, right? So that is exactly what is meant by your lazy evaluation. Your step one is you just create the logical data frame. It will never, kind of go and execute your query. Step two, only when you kind of call certain methods, that is exactly when you will be able to, kind of get the data, and the query will actually go and hit the backend system and kind of use the virtual warehouse and give you the output. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope the concept of lazy evaluation within Snowpark will be clear after watching this video. So thank you once again.